For thousands of years, humans believed they domesticated cats. But if you watch closely, it sometimes feels like the opposite is true. Cats don't follow humans, they observe them, quietly analyzing every strange thing we do. Every day your cat studies you. Your routines, your habits, even your weaknesses. Cats don't just watch you. They watch everything around you. When your cat chooses to sit next to you, that's not random. That's approval. So what does your cat really think about you? You're not the owner. You're the staff.